Good evening. Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. There's a call from the Chief Executive Officer of the Economic Growth Council, Senator Aubin Hill, for greater investment in Jamaica. Speaking at the Rotary Club of Downtown Kingston's installation banquet on Wednesday, Mr. Hill pointed to some managerial practices which he says stifle the growth of businesses and affect the country's economy. We have more in this report.
Managers must do the right thing, not what is wrong. Don't lie to your employees.
Senator Aubin Hill at the Rotary Club of Downtown Kingston on Wednesday. He said MSMEs and the large firms will not be able to reap the benefits of the economic growth the country is currently experiencing until they restructure their work ethic, especially at the managerial level.
And listen to this carefully, but also separating poor performers from the companies. Managers want that job, but them don't like the separation part. I believe in the principle that those managers who are unable to separate poor performers from their organization should never be allowed to hire anybody. In other words, it shouldn't be a manager. And I'm not apologizing for it. So you know what? What training you want? We agree on it. You don't change, you can't change. I cut you because you're not helping me. And you're not helping the shareholders who pay me. Sometimes, if you're in a government organization, the shareholders are poor taxpayers. You have an obligation to make sure you have right people in that organization, not mediocre, half-performing, underperforming. You add the word.
Mr. Hill took the opportunity to urge investors to spend more. He also suggests that Jamaicans should not be surprised when assets are sold to foreigners. 5
years from now, don't you blame Prime Minister Andrew Holness or Chairman of the Economic Growth Council, Michael Leachin, or me as the CEO of the Growth Council for giving away Jamaican assets to foreigners. So don't make this opportunity pass you. It must be the 10th, 11th time I'm saying, buy into Jamaica now.
We go on to currency trading. Today ended with the US dollar selling for $132.97. The Canadian is now going for $102.47. The pound, $166.63, while the euro closed the day at $150.56. Stocks ended mostly higher on Thursday, pushing the JSE index up more than 2,594 points to a new all-time record. The junior market index also gained, moving up by just under 10 points. The top performing stocks on Thursday were Jamaican Teas, Epley, 1834 Investments, Fosrich, and Kingston Properties. On the losing end were ISP Finance, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Jetcon Corporation, Key Insurance, and Cygnus Credit Investment US dollar shares. That wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.